I'm Matt Delaney, and I'm a sales rep for Auburn Manufacturing. We're a textile manufacturer located in Maine. Today, we're in a mechanical room at a college campus to show you our chill-in, Ever Green chill-in cut and wrap insulation system. And it's a removable product so people can access the component, do service, and then re-wrap it again. The kit includes a 4-foot by 8-foot quilted sheet, a roll of tape, and a tube of caulking. The other items you may need are a pair of shears or a utility knife, tape measure, and marking pen. As you can see, we have a rectangle-shaped piece already cut out here, and you can see it's a fiberglass core sandwiched between a zero-perm fabric, which is important so the air doesn't get to the component. The tape is also a zero-perm tape, and we're going to show you later in another segment how we will tape this edge to maintain the fact that it's going to be zero-perm. The component itself is right here, and this is what we're going to insulate. You can see that we've pre-taped part of it on the existing insulation, so when we go to tape our blanket on it, it'll stick to the tape. And if you need to service the component, you can take the tape, rip the tape off, or cut it, take the blanket apart, service the component, and then reuse the insulation, as this is the way it was intended in the first place. So, in a later segment, we're going to come back and I'm going to show you how we tape the blanket, put it on, shape it, and insulate it. Thank you.